Hey, this is Papa from StreetFighterTradingSystem.com. Alright, so today I would like to do a frequently asked question video as I receive a lot of message on Discord, on Facebook asking me the same random question, not related to my lessons, but related to how much I win per day, how many trades I take per day, what is my percentage win rate, and so on, right? So I want to do a quick video to clarify all this. Like that, I won't have to repeat myself, and I will be able to point you on the video. All right, so let's start with the first question, which is how many trades I take per day. So to answer that, you first need to understand that the lessons that I showed you only constitute maybe 30% of all the setups I take, right? So initially, I'm a swing trader playing cryptocurrencies, and the lessons that I'm showing you are related to scalping, not swing trading, scalping on the E-mini S&P. I also, on one video, I showed you the move list that I basically use, right? So you can see that I have my bounce of EMA, so the foundation part 1, show you trade part 2, and show you punish part 3, right? But I also have a lot of other moves that I haven't shown, right? And to be very honest with you guys, most of the trade that I take are actually not related to show you trade and show you trade punish, but I use only the order book and the depth of market, so the DOM, using another software called Jigsaw, and not NinjaTrader. But anyway, so based on this, you will understand that it's fairly difficult for me to tell you how many trades I take per day, right? Or even per week or per month. What you need to know and what you need to understand is some days I will take 0 trades and some days I will take 100 trades, right? Maybe taking 1 or 2 ticks. If you want to understand yourself how many trades you're going to take, so my personal advice is fucking take the lessons, go into your simulation and training mode and see how many ticks you can trade over 6 months, right? Each trader, after learning the core basics that I teach you guys, will have a different way of trading and managing rates. So it's basically impossible to understand how many trades you will take. And yeah, because each trader have their own way, have their own mindset, even though they have the same basic concepts, okay? Anyway, so the second question was what is my percentage win rate and how much I win per day and so on. So again, what you need to understand is I've been swing trading for 2 years, but I've only been scalping for maybe 3 months. And basically, I learned scalping because I took a course also that I paid for, and basically I took the methodology, I modified it to incorporate my own way of trading it, right? Once I was trading it, because it was COVID, I used to trade like day and night, train like maybe 24 hours in a row, training for several days, and at that time my percentage win rate was 100% and over 200 trades, right? And I was taking only show you punish, right? But now it's very different because I don't have the time to trade live like I used to do, because now I have to go back to work. And then second is I also trade way more other methodologies than only show you punish, because I do feel that scalping with the order book is more efficient, okay? With that said, I also want to share with you and be transparent on my trading plan and what's happening. Like when I attack the day, what is my trading plan, right? So my trading plan is actually fairly easy. Basically, once I start trading on the day, I will continue trading until I lose one time. Okay, so if I lose one trade on the day, I will stop trading. Today I play only one contract because I'm trying new methodology, but basically that's pretty much it. So I want to show you, like today I basically had the time to trade even before the market opened. So we can see that the market just opened, but I have already 8 trades done, right? So on the 8 trades I lost one, so of course I will stop trading. Okay, so this is my account name, so Patrick Teromi, which is my real name. It shows you my strategy, so I play one contract, quantity 1, and it shows you basically where I enter and the profit that I take on each trade. Okay, so Of course, my trade and my profit is not always 1 point because I trade, as I say, I trade differently than what I used to do before. I basically trade the order book, so it allows me to understand what are the points of control, what are the major resistance, when I'm wrong, and so on. So I can cut my trade very fast and understand where I should take profit or not. Right. So some trade I will have 4 points, some trade I will have only 1 tick, some trade I will have 2 ticks. Some trades I will have 2 points and so on, right? But what you need to understand is as soon as I lose, right, then I will just disconnect, okay? And also, I don't know if you see, but I think on the internet, I might be the only one showing my real account, my chart trader live with my real name. So you can understand that there is no scam on what I'm showing you, right? And what I really want to tell you is that if you practice, right? If you practice, it's not going to come in 1 month. It's not going to come in 2 months. It's maybe going to come in 6 months, 1 year. You will be able to win some money. You will not win 1 million. So I don't win 1 million. Some days I win zero. Some days I win maybe $12. And I'm not even trading for the money. To be honest with you guys, I'm trading to be able to basically improve myself. And I take it as a game. Okay. But yeah, so don't think about looking at the money value. So like all many videos on the internet saying to you that they're making $500 per day. This is fucking insane, guys. If you think like this, you will lose money. It's impossible to predict how much money you will win because the market, if it doesn't want to give you good opportunities, it will not give you fucking good opportunities, right? So that's where I want to end this video. I hope that it will answer some of the questions that you had. Again, I repeat, I cannot answer how many trades I take per day. Sometimes it's 100, sometimes zero. I can have many 0 days in a row. How much I win per day? Sometimes it can be zero, sometimes it can be $12, sometimes it can be maybe $2,000 per day. What is my percentage win rate? So as of today, I have enough win rate to cover my risk to reward ratio. Okay, and this is the important part. So look at the lessons that I give to you to manage your risk to reward. Usually on scalping, I have something around above 90%, and on swing trading, I'm around 60%, right? But the important part is to have a risk to reward ratio that is enough to basically be consistent and to not have 1 day to kill all, to make you have 3 days to recover 1 day, right? You need to have good risk to reward management. And that's why on my video lesson, I advise you to have a reward of 2 for a risk of 1. Like that, you can allow yourself to lose more. Okay, anyway, I'll cut this video here. That was Papa from StreetFighterTradingSystem.com.